This one for every graduate, still searching, still hoping, still fighting.
Campaign Studio PNG.
Me finish him school long plenty year. Me think job I come up close to ya. Mama and papa walk at long. That's all now me stop yet long road belong pine him walk money. Every morning me wake up early, sending applications daily, knocking doors from place to place. Still no chance, still no space. Weeks go by, years go by, me asking yet why, oh why. Me no less long time yet. That's all opportunity, me no meeting. School paper, me still find him walk all get a day. Dreams blow, me no die yet. That's all chances how we go long way. Long me I owe school paper. Me like help him family blow me. Give back long mama and papa for the sacrifices they made for me. Most jobs ask him experienced workman. How can we learn if nobody gives us work? Old age people still holding positions, while young graduates wait for opportunities. Some jobs go long family connections, some go through wantok systems. Me pay last stop outside long street now wait. Still struggling, still no break. Me no cross, me no give up. Me saw one fella dey buy some come up. All the tears and sleepless nights, one day by turn into brighter lights. School paper, mama, but hope still lives in me. I will keep fighting every day until my destiny I see. I owe school paper, that's all me no stop now for my parents, for my family. Me by go strong somehow. To every graduate still searching, don't give up, your time is coming. Keep believing, keep pushing. One day by you me win.